In this video, I want to show you how you can make your S Empire transaction. Okay, there is two criterions that will make you eligible for their airdrop. You connect your wallet and make a ton transaction. That is equivalent 0.5 ton. Okay, so before you start this transaction, you have to make sure that you have up to 5 tons, 0.5 tons in your wallet. Okay, so see, I have up to that amount. So you head to your you head back to your Telegram wallet, look for your S Empire. Okay, this is my S Empire. Just open the S Empire. Okay, go and run the transaction right now. Okay, so make a transaction. So let's connect. I've already connected the particular wallet. So let's make a transaction right now. Click on make transaction. Okay, it will urge you to confirm your transaction. You press confirm. So the transaction is completed. It's now completed. So let's go back to this and see what we got. So allow it to load, and it's loading right now. So then just go and refresh your Telegram bot. When you refresh it, you go to the quest, this quest here. Go to this quest. Okay, you see make a ton transaction. Click on that make ton transaction. Click check action. It will show you to claim this. Okay, so that's it. That makes the transaction successful. Go back and check your airdrop. It have ticked this green stuff here, so the transaction is successful. So that's how you can do your transaction. So do well to share this video. If you have any difficulty doing it, just comment on the comment section. I will do a video to help you out. That is what I'm doing here. This is my